Hello everyone, my name is Nikos Mitas and I live in Athens, Greece. In this second video, we will continue with the installation of our software TKLNM for IBM Storage Protect. So we log in to the new installed virtual machine. And we already have copied the tar file containing the software. We create a directory, extract it. Okay. We have already the TSM client downloaded to save some time. First, we run the prerequisites check to see what is missing. Okay. We installed the tar file in the previous video, the first video, but we need some other files. So using this command, we install it. Okay. Now we can run again the prerequisites check. We are missing the TSM client. So and we need to give it the package name that contains the installation, the, the actual TSM client. Perfect. Now we are ready to proceed with the installation of TKLNM4ISP. We must supply the host name and the FQDN of the virtual machine. So you can see the steps of the installation. It is complete. And now we can access, we first must run the setup to create our first TSM IBM Storage Protect instance. And then we can access using our favorite browser software to proceed with instance configuration, administration, etc. Okay. In the next video, the third video will be the instance creation and login to the TSM server to continue with the rest. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.